What's up guys, thanks for joining me for this video. Today I thought we'd try something new. I'm going to show the top 5 best-selling products in the t-shirt category, the hoodie category, the phone case category, and the PopSocket category. Basically, they are a couple different product types that we can sell on Merch by Amazon, and let's kind of evaluate how well they're selling. So I went ahead, I did some additional digging so that we can see metrics like projected daily sales as well as daily profit. And we can really kind of make some decisions on if we should be focusing exclusively on optimizing designs for a specific product type that maybe we wouldn't have considered otherwise. Because I've always honestly made the assumption that t-shirts probably are the best sellers. So let's put that to the test. Let's get started. Quick reminder, enter the weekly print-on-demand giveaway. 2 winners are going to be randomly selected and announced next Sunday. They will receive a free license, I should say, to Merch Titan's Upload Automation, Merch Ninja Research Tools, All Sunsets Premium Premade Graphics to help you with your designs, and Bubble Scout, the only Redbubble niche research and validation tool. You can find a link in the description. While you're down there, take advantage of my 7-day Merch by Amazon mini course and join my Merch by Amazon Facebook group, probably one of the fastest growing Merch by Amazon communities that's out there. All right, so let's look at the top 5 t-shirts, and we're gonna go one by one. And when we start with the best-selling t-shirt as of right now, I'm gonna also show you how much money just about they're making each day. So if you guys caught my top 5 niches of the week video on Sunday, we know that Dot Day is selling very, very well. Also, I'm projecting it to sell beyond September 15th. I mean, it's September 13th now, and people ordering these t-shirts won't get them in by the 15th, and they're still buying them. This BSR, I mean, look at that. It shot up. If you see the line graph here from Flying Research, that chart flew up to under 5,000, it looks like, or under 10,000 for sure, and it's just been holding steady for about a week. So whoever got this shirt up there is crushing. And here from Jungle Scout, this is a Amazon, more or less Amazon FBA research tool. It's meant for FBA sellers to project profitability as well as like sales. But it works, relatively, it works okay on print on demand. It's the most accurate research tool out there, so it's the best we can do. So it's saying that this shirt is doing roughly 95 sales a day at this BSR. And, well, ignore average sales rank, by the way. So we see the sales rank here at about 4,390. And Jungle Scout is saying that at that BSR, it's probably doing roughly 95 sales a day. So if we already know on Merch by Amazon, if we price a product at $13.99, we will make 70 cents profit per sale. So they're making about $66.50 a day on this best-selling t-shirt. Now, the number 2 bestseller is one that is not a trending, flash in the pan style design like the one we just looked at. This I'm not old, I'm classic design, this graphic t-shirt, and I don't know, is this from like a TV show or something, or is this legitimately an evergreen best-selling design not attached to anything that's well known other than men's love for classic cars? I don't know. Let me know if you know in the comments below, but this one is always sitting there amongst the best sellers, and it's got a current BSR of about 8,600. Number 3 bestseller is another Dot Day. Make your mark, see where it takes you. By the way, this design is really well executed, so props to whoever did that. Celebrating Dot Day 2021. Got a BSR of 8,800, priced at $13.98. By the way, the I'm Not Old, I'm Classic shirt is priced at $17.90, so they're making a very healthy royalty there. 4th best-selling design, I just hope both teams have fun. I can't remember if this is trademarked or not. By the way, me showing you these designs is not me saying to sell them. It is me just saying, hey, let's evaluate the best sellers and see if we learn anything. So this one has 8,800 BSR, priced at $19.99. I know this shirt pops up every now and then around sports events. So maybe this is for like the NFL kickoff that it's trending. I don't get the origin of it. Again, it's hard for me to know all these things, but I'm looking at the tags. It says guys, ladies, children. I don't know why that's in there. But anyways, yeah, it says football. So maybe that's it. For people that don't like football, I guess, that have to watch it with their significant other. Maybe that's what it is. But if you're going to try to sell any of these, definitely check trademarks because I didn't look ahead of time. And the 5th best-selling t-shirt right now, make your mark, see where it takes you. 9,500 BSR. It's already got 39 reviews. Whoa. Published. Oh, that was published in 2018. Wow. So why is Dot Day so significant this year? Anyways, yeah, as we can see here, the BSR has been trending in the right direction as we approach the holiday. And their price is $16.99. So this is where you get into that debate. Should they have dropped their price in the $13 to $14 range and went for the #1 organic placement? Because that certainly was on the table. Or do they just price at $16.99, lock in better profits with a worse BSR? You know, it's kind of this balancing act. All right, let's look at hoodies. This is where we're really going to have the most fun, looking at the alternative product types. All right, the best-selling hoodie design with a glitch in the BSR there. It looks like it went down to like 400,000 and popped right back up. I'm sure that's a glitch. But 6,400 BSR, priced at $30.99. And if we, the niche, it says literally freezing. And there's no bullet points provided, so I don't know what that's referring to. I think there was 2 of them that were in the bestsellers. It says literally freezing. And this is actually sweatshirts, not hoodies. Okay, I need to fix that for any future videos. If this is well received, I'll do them again in the future. But this is actually sweatshirts, not hoodies, okay? And this one projects 78 sales a day. 78 sales a day. 82,000 in revenue a month. Damn. At that price, $30.99, they're making $4.29 profit per sale, working out to roughly $334.62 a day. Whoa, okay, I've been sleeping on sweatshirts. Apparently, I should be spending more time doing these sweatshirts. Actually, I don't know if that's really true. Are they all going to be selling this well? Let's check it out. The second best-selling sweatshirt, the BSR already jumps from this one, the bestseller, 6,400. Second bestseller, 38,600. Okay, so one of those sweatshirts was selling significantly better than the rest. So maybe we don't need to drop everything and start selling sweatshirts. This one was published about a year ago. It's 38,000 BSR, priced at $31.99. Third bestseller says Olympic National Park. Oh, by the way, if anybody's listening to the podcast version, sorry, I'm jumping around a bit. Apologize. The #2 best-selling sweatshirt is a skeleton drinking a hot beverage out of a coffee cup, so probably coffee. And it says Halloween coffee drinking skeleton. Okay, so it's a skeleton Halloween sweatshirt. Third bestseller, the niche says Olympic National Park. It's got a 45,000 BSR, priced at $30.46. $30.46. Is there something cryptic about that? I feel like I'm doing a Redbubble shop review. When I see these like random price points, it always reminds me of like Redbubble, because Redbubble's so weird in how they do the product markup. Next bestseller is this fourth. Yeah, fourth bestseller again says literally freezing. While I don't understand it exactly, it is, selling extremely well. So 68,000 BSR and a $25.99 price point. So they are not making too much money per sale. And actually, this is a hoodie. Okay, so they lumped in. So I'm using Flying Research when I do this, and I don't spend much time in Flying Research looking at things other than t-shirts. It looks like Flying Research lumps sweatshirts together as hoodies, zip hoodies, and sweatshirts. So that's good to know. This hoodie is priced at $25.99 though, so very little profit in that per sale. And the fifth bestseller, here we go, Washington football. And again, guys, I don't feel comfortable selling any of the Washington football stuff. I think there was like a big thing where they lost their trademark. I know South Park did an episode where they basically tried to rip off the intellectual property of the Redskins. Am I allowed to say Redskins anymore? That was a football team for like 80 years before they rebranded recently. But anyways, like South Park went in on them, and now they call themselves the football team. And there's a ton of products for sale on Amazon. So I guess Amazon's okay with it. Maybe it's not trademarked and not protected. Should be copyrighted. But anyways, I don't know. I'm not a lawyer, but there's a lot of the Washington football team stuff posted every single day. So it's definitely a crowded niche. But on the high end, if you're able to get some sales and get some separation from the crowd, definitely some money to be made. This one has a 78,000 BSR, priced at $30.99. All right, let's speed up. PopSockets. #1 best-selling PopSocket, BSR of 3,100, priced at $14.99. It is a, I'll read the title. Green botanical fern foliage and white berry floral pattern. A lot of these bestsellers are patterns, by the way, on the PopSockets. According to Jungle Scout, this is doing roughly 43 sales a day. So at $14.99 price point, you're making about $2.25 per sale. So they're doing about $96.75 profit a day. Not bad at all for a PopSocket, especially. The next bestseller is the Pine Tree Mountain Scene Teal Forest Pattern. And that is a PopSocket again. I actually think this design is really nice. I love the like tiered different colored structure of those trees. It reminds me of when I was in Colorado with Marielle a couple months ago. It was beautiful. This has a 6300 BSR priced at $12.99, so they're not making too much profit. Number 3, PopSocket, Black Cat Hiding in Spring Flowers. BSR 5800, price point $14.99. Number 4, I don't know why I keep forgetting the number. Number 4 is Modern Florals on Gray PACJ0194 PopSocket. Okay, if that means anything to you, it means nothing to me. PACJ0194. Basically, it looks like some like 60s retro color scheme, flower child type design, pattern design on a PopSocket. I'm wondering if these people are advertising, because these PopSockets are so easy to make. Like that design that you see here, super easy. Most of these are super easy. I think one of them, it's a phone case actually that I saw, was from Vexels, you know? So I wonder if people are advertising to get the initial traction and then just kind of let the organic sales take over. Anyways, this one, BSR 5,900, price point $8.91. So I didn't even know you could price them that low. Is that a non-Amazon merch PopSocket maybe? Or did someone add an offer? I don't know, that's weird. And number 5, Elegant Leopard Print Black Animal Print is the PopSocket name. I thought some of those keywords would get you in trouble, but maybe not. I don't know. The leopard print thing, I'm always like, I know a lot of those show up in the weekly removed designs, so I'm always, I don't feel comfortable doing the leopard print stuff myself. But I'm also trying to protect my account in tier 200,000. I mean, you know, I just feel like I have a little bit more to lose than like a smaller account that gets closed. Anyways, BSR 6,000, price point $14.99. All right, and let's wrap it up with phone cases. So from what we've seen so far, if we could realistically project getting into the top 5 of selling these products, sure, we should make more of a focal point on optimizing designs to be uploaded to those products specifically on Merch by Amazon. So far, nothing's really blown me away. We've seen kind of a drop off in BSR, especially in like the sweatshirts and hoodies. Like right after the number 1, it dropped into like the 30,000s. So let's look at phone cases. So the number 1 best-selling phone case looks very similar to that number 5 best-selling PopSocket. It's that black leopard print. This has a BSR of 19,100, price point $18.99. According to Jungle Scout, at this BSR, doing roughly 6 sales a day and making $3.59 per sale, according to using Merch by Amazon and actually typing in the price point and looking. So they're making roughly $21.50 profit a day. Now, that's not blowing anybody away. That's not making anybody rich, but look how easy this was to make. I mean, that design is super simple. So yeah, don't be deterred from selling phone cases, but also, you know, a pattern like that is not going to look good on the other merch products outside of like a PopSocket. So maybe it is the same seller and they're making sales of both PopSockets and phone cases to the same customers. That would actually make a lot of sense, and it would show up if you enabled the same products in the same listing. It could show up as like frequently bought together. So, or no, it would say more products with this design. Sorry. But you could also get the frequently bought together as well if customers actually do buy them together. Number 2 best-selling phone case. We have a Autumn Falling Leaves Pumpkin Spice Harvest Happy Fall. So a big fall-themed phone case. Anybody that loves fall, maybe they want to go grab a phone case for their brand new phone. Makes a lot of sense. 10,500 BSR, $17.99 price point. Number 3 phone. It is a black and orange plaid case, Halloween, fall, autumn pumpkins case. So plaid case themed for fall. It doesn't have any pumpkins or anything on it. BSR 10,500, price point $17.99. Number 3 or 4, I always get them confused. All right, number 4. This is a autumn falling leaves and pumpkin spice harvest phone case. BSR 14,600, price point $19.99. And number 5, rounding out the theme with another fall themed phone case. This is a vintage witchy magical spiritual crystals for Halloween 2021 case. So if there's one thing we took away for sure, it's that you should be selling your fall-oriented autumn Halloween themed phone cases at a minimum. Now I'm going to venture a guess, if people are buying phone cases, they're going to buy a PopSocket to go with it. I still have my PopSocket from like my, what is it? It's like a phone case review from Guten. And then I bought the PopSocket when I was reviewing every Amazon merch product. So I still got it. Honestly, these things are fun to play with and they're useful for propping your phone up. So by the way, that graphic is from All Sunsets. Shout out to them. But yeah, guys, I mean, if you've never used a PopSocket, check it out. It makes sense why they sell so well. But that's pretty much it. BSR 25,000, price point $19.99. takeaways from this video, I'm not really sure. Nothing's really got me feeling compelled to want to spend time optimizing designs for a single product type. We know that these patterns look great on phone cases and PopSockets, but they don't really translate into hoodies or t-shirts or anything else. So it is kind of a toss-up between, do you want to just do patterns? And by the way, this pattern looks like it's from Vexels. I don't know for sure, but it certainly looks like the style that you'd find on Vexels. So by the way, I'll put a link to Vexels and All Sunsets in case you guys don't know what those are. Basically, if you're not a good graphic designer, you can go there, pay them some money, and their professional graphic designers will allow you to use their graphics, basically. You can have the licenses to them. So that's basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. Before I leave, I did want to remind you, I wrote a full Merch by Amazon course walking you through how I took my account from tier 10 to tier 200,000. If you want to learn more about that, there's a link in the description as always. But thank you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video.